Hey everyone, I just want to pop in here very quickly and give you all a heads up about these planter trellis beds that Aldi rolled out today. Well, officially tomorrow, April 23rd. But you know me, I had to hit my Aldi bright and early this morning because I didn't want to miss out on picking up a few of these. And I'll show you real quick here. They have several things that you may be interested in. They have the rattan patio chairs, $50. And I am so tickled to see that they have what I came for, which are the little planters with a trellis, $20. They have the trough planters and then liners for the hanging baskets they've got this week. I'm stocking up for later. They also have some fairly good size, really cute rugs. I'm going to pass on these, but my girlfriend bought the pink and blue plaid ones below this one. She just loves it. My store still had one of these wooden raised planter beds, which I bought a few years ago, and they have a huge stack of potting soil, $4.99. And if you're interested in the potting soil, go quickly. They just put these 2 pallets out this morning, and half of one pallet is already gone. I'm snagging 6 bags because I'm getting 3 planters, and at this price, you can't beat the quality. So I've got a cart full. I've got to head to the checkout and get out of here because I have to go to work. But I'm going to take a minute to snag some goodies here for the office workers just in case I'm a few minutes late. I think I'll be on time, but I'm going to hedge my bets, spoil them a little bit. And if you've been following my channel, thank you so much. You may have seen a video I put up a couple of years ago where my daughters and I did a taste test doing muffins from 3 stores. That was so fun. I'll put a link down below. So now I'm at the register. I've rung all this up, $113. Got to throw it in my car as fast as I can. So I got everything loaded in the car, and I have a shot at getting to work on time. Woohoo! I'm on it today. I'm off to West Palm Beach, and at least I didn't get rained on this time. So I put in a full day at the office, and now it's time to unload the car and give you guys a look at this. So I made it home with my wooden planter with trellis. 3 to be specific. And I also picked up 6 more bags of potting soil. It's already 7 o'clock. I haven't eaten a bite all day, so I'm not going to try to build all 3 of these tonight. But I thought I'd get one out so y'all can see it up close and then decide if you want to run to Aldi tomorrow and grab one. And man, I sure hope they're as easy to put together as those garden beds, which basically go together like a log home. But we'll see. All right, as soon as I saw this, I knew this is gonna take tools. I'm not sure if I have the patience for that, being that I had a stressful day at work, but just want to give you a look at all the parts. It smells so good. And I had a viewer ask me on the video where I put up the garden beds a few weeks ago, what kind of wood? And it says on the box here, whatever that means, 100% FSC certified wood. I looked it up on the garden beds and it said Chinese fir. So take that for what it's worth. I'm sure this is a liner for the bed. And I was questioning how tall this might be. The dimensions, right? It says 53 inches high, so what is that, like 4.5 feet? And I knew the little bed part would be little because, and I'm okay with that. But I'm really curious to see what the height might be. Okay guys, I kind of cheated this together because I have a bunch of screws in it, but this is ultimately the shape and size, and I am very pleased. That actually comes up higher than I envisioned it. Very happy about that. Let me step back so you can get an idea. This is a 6-foot privacy fence that needs power washing. That's great. I am very happy with that. So if you're interested, you guys, rush to your nearest Aldi tomorrow morning, Wednesday, April 23rd, because these are going to fly off the shelf, is my prediction.
20
I wanted
bucks.
to share all that with you very quickly, just in case you're interested, so you can zip out to your Aldi and take advantage of this. I mean, 20 bucks. I just couldn't get over it. I know the garden beds were super popular with everyone. I hope they bring those out again. But these little mini beds with the attached trellises are perfect for growing things like green beans or, vining flowers. So many great ways to landscape with these in your backyard. And I can even see these on the front porch, on each side of the door. So many ways to use these. So I just wanted to share real quickly. And then this weekend, I'll put up a video showing you these getting put together in my backyard, along with refinishing those big trellises that I picked up curbside last week. Thank y'all for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.